Alright, my name is DJ, and once again, this is the Grand Channel. If it's your first time viewing, thank you. Please subscribe, stuff of that nature. If this is, you've been rocking with me since the beginning, thank you. This video is going to be about if your windows squeak or not. Sorry for the beeping. Let me close the door real quick. But so you see how like you heard that little click? So that's one part, and then you hear that, and then so it has that little kick sound. So I'm about to go ahead and lube up the hinges, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do all four of the window sills and stuff like that and show you how to do it. Today I will be using the WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube, no drip, superior protection, prevent rust for 1 year, even though there's no rust on this vehicle, so we don't have to really worry about that. But it's a lubricant. Also, it's for vertical and horizontal surfaces, and then including plastic and rubber, so it won't eat at it and corrode it and stuff of that nature. And I'm also going to put it on those hinges right there too. And I'm gonna do it on all four, you know, just to make sure we good, make sure there's no squeaking or nothing like that going on. An easy way to do this is you shake up your can and you just go ahead and spray. And that's all you really got to do. Now I'm gonna just do it some more real quick, and then with this, because I don't want to spray my windshield, I'm gonna just, since it's already lubed, I'm just putting it right there in the center of that sill. So I'm gonna just take some more of this lube right here, because once again I'm not trying to, and I'm just going to spread it on top of the sill right here. Once again, I'm gonna just push this through. This was where it's just evenly coated, where it's just all good to go. It's a little messy, but I brought me a towel just so I can make sure I do this properly. And voila, that's the front door. And we're also going to do the hinges. Let's do that, and then you just want to take it and just spread it around just like that, just to make sure it's real lubricated and it's good to go. Perfect. And that's all you got to do. And we're going to do all four, so I'm going to do a complete video with y'all, not just, you know, leave y'all, oh, here's the first one and then that's it. You know, I'm actually going to hit y'all with everything. All right, so I'm just taking my little towel, my little rag, once again wiping off any excess. Then I'm going to take this right here, right, and once again just rub it like that, and I'm going to just rub it across this right here, just to make sure that the sill is completely lubricated and stuff like that. And then let the other penetrating, let the other lube do its job. And that's it for that part. Now let's go for the second one though. I'm gonna take down my sunshade. Alright, sunshade is down. I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Put that to the side. But we don't have to worry about this because this don't come down. I was almost about to take that down, but you don't need to. Let me turn off the car all the way. Alright. So you shake it again just to make sure. And once again, actually we're just gonna do it on this side. Just gonna hit it full speed, full blast, guys. Just like that. And then let it go just like this. And this should work for any car. This is not just for the LS. This is just a video on how to, once again, get that squeak for the summertime up out of your your windowsill. And that's it. Just make sure that it's good and lubricated. Once again, you just take this. I'm not spraying anymore. I'm just literally taking this and just spreading it around just to make sure that it's nice and even. And then once again, I'm just taking it and rubbing it right on in between, not all the way down, but just in between these sills right here, just to make sure. And then once again, you want to take your rag and just hit them corners with it. Just go like this. Just make sure you do that and make sure you get your sill. And let the oil do the rest, or the gel, let the gel do the rest. Just make sure you go around. Just make sure you get the excess and spread the goodness around. Just spread it around. All right. Time to move on to the other one. Oh, well, now it's time to do the hinge for this door and then move on to the other one. So once again, you just want to spray a little bit right there and just smother it around. Just make sure you do it that way. And you're good to go. All right, let's go do the other one though. Alright, once again, just put this right there. Come around and give it a good blast. Just make sure you get a good blast. I'm gonna do it one more time. Perfect. Once you do that, you take this guy, and once again you just whoop. So just make sure. I'm gonna clean that up in a little bit. So you just rub it across. Just make sure you get a good, nice lube. Now this says no drip, but whatever. Well, technically it's like once it sticks, it is kind of like sticking. I did shoot a lot in there and it makes sense. Then once again, you just want to make sure you stick it in there so you can just make sure you get the sill, the little rubber sill right there. Take this, and you know what we got to do. Anything I got on this side, you just take your towel. You make sure that you just clean it up once again. And it's safe on plastic, so it ain't gonna do anything. Just cleaning up the excess, just the extra. That's all. And it comes right off. Check that out. Just came right off. So no issues. Once again, you just make sure you get all the little extra stuff off. And once again, you just want to grab this and lace it across. Swing it over here. Make sure, you know, just get the excess once again, if there is any. Because I did hit mine kind of hard. And voila. And now we're going to do the door hinge. And once again, for the door hinge, you just do that and you spread it. Once again, I didn't have to. This wasn't squeaking. The doors wasn't squeaking or anything, but I'm just doing it for preventative maintenance. That's all. And then once again, you just go under there and you just rub. Just like that. Those are my glasses that just fell off my face. No big deal. Alright. So, let's put my glasses over there for right now. You're good to go on that part. Now time to do the last door. All right, let's hit it. Oh. That's it. And then once again, you just take it. You just spread it. Spread it. Spread it. And you just want to take this. Once again, just do the top part of this seal. And then we're gonna go grab our rag just to make sure that there is no excess. And that's it. All right. Grab your rag and you wipe off, you know, whatever extraness. And then you just take this. Make sure you wipe over the seal. Once again, just make sure you wipe over the seal. And you're good to go. All right, let's do the hinges, and that's it, guys. And thank you for watching. Appreciate you. But this is just how you do the preventative maintenance. This is also how you do it if you have squeaky doors and or hinges, how to take care of it. All right, let's go ahead and test this. Check this out. Very nice and easy. Very nice and easy. Very nice and easy. Very nice and easy. Good to go. Good to go. All right, let's test out the windows. Make sure we good on the squeak. Smooth as butter. And look, no grease or residue on the mirrors or anything. Look. Nice. Hold on real quick. Sorry for that. All right, let's go on the other side. All right, it's up. Nice and easy. Perfect. See, no grease stains, nothing like that. No grease stains. Nothing like that. Nice and easy movements. Super smooth. Very good to go. Let's try this side too. See that? No more creak. None of that. And no grease stains, no smothers, no nothing like that. So you don't have to even clean your windows afterwards for doing it the way I did. Thank you so much for watching. My name is DJ, and once again, this is the Grand Channel. Please subscribe. And if you've been rocking with me since the beginning, thank you. And if you're just getting here, thank you so much for watching this. Bye.